Welcome back to Nature's Classroom. As you explore a forest, one of the first things you will notice is the abundance of ferns. These ferns, scientifically known as Pteridophytes, belong to the division Pteridophyta in the plant kingdom. They not only add to the beauty of nature but also hold secrets about the evolution of plants on Earth. Let's explore them. Pteridophytes are plants that do not have any flowers or seeds. Hence, another name for it is cryptogams, means having well-developed vascular tissues. They are the first true land plants with vascular tissues, forming a link between mosses and modern trees. They thrive in a variety of habitats but are mostly found in damp, moist, shady environments and can also grow in sandy soil. And you know what? The smallest pteridophyte is Azolla, which is an aquatic fern, and the largest is Scythia, a tree fern. Now let's talk about the characteristics. You may remember that in bryophytes, the dominant phase of the life cycle is the gametophyte, which is the main plant body responsible for reproduction. But pteridophytes have a dominant sporophytic phase, which is well developed and differentiated into roots, stems, and leaves. Pteridophytes have a dominant sporophytic generation, meaning their main plant body is the diploid sporophyte, which is independent and well differentiated. Pteridophytes are the first group of plants to develop true organs, including roots, stems, and leaves. Roots. They have true roots that anchor the plant and absorb water and minerals from the soil. The stems of pteridophytes can be underground rhizomes or aerial. Pteridophytes have true leaves, which can be microphyls. Microphyls are small, single, veined leaves as in club mosses. Or megaphyls, the large, complex leaves as in ferns. These leaves carry out photosynthesis and produce spores in specialized structures called sporangia. Pteridophytes have a haplodiplontic life cycle, meaning they show alternation of generations between a dominant sporophyte and a smaller independent gametophyte. The sporophyte is the main plant body which has true roots, stems, and leaves. It produces spores in special structures called sporangia. These spores are formed through meiosis, making them haploid. When mature, the spores are released into the environment. Under favorable conditions, spores germinate to form the gametophyte. The gametophyte is a small, independent, green structure called the prothallus. The prothallus contains male and female reproductive organs. The male is antheridia and female is archegonia. The fertilization occurs, forming a diploid zygote inside the archegonium. After fertilization, the zygote develops into the sporophyte, which is the dominant phase in the life cycle of pteridophytes. As the mature sporophyte develops, it produces sporangia, which releases spores to begin the next generation. Pteridophytes are classified into four main classes based on their morphological and reproductive features: Phylopsida, Lycopsida, Sphinopsida, and Pteropsida. Besides being a lower plant, pteridophytes are both ecologically as well as economically important as a source of food. Pteridophytes have shown significant potential as a source of micro and macronutrients required to improve the diet. For example, sporocarp of Marsilia yields starch that is cooked and eaten by certain tribes. Azolla is used as food production, has high carbohydrates and protein values. As biofertilizers, pteridophytes are very useful for the formation of biofertilizers. They speed up certain microbial activities in the soil, making nutrients more easily available for plants to absorb. It has been found that by applying Azolla, the soil fertility is improved by increasing total nitrogen, available organic carbon, phosphorus, and potassium. As ornaments, pteridophytes such as ferns and their relatives are widely used as ornamental plants due to their attractive foliage and unique appearance. They are commonly grown in gardens, hanging pots, terrariums, and indoor spaces. Some popular ornamental pteridophytes include Boston fern, maidenhair fern, and bird's nest fern. As medicines, many species contain bioactive compounds with antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. For example, Adiantum, the maidenhair fern, is used to treat coughs and respiratory issues, while Equisetum, the horsetail, is known for its diuretic and wound healing properties. In bioremediation, which is the process of using plants to clean up polluted environments, some pteridophytes can absorb and accumulate heavy metals like arsenic, lead, and cadmium from contaminated soil and water. For example, Pteris or Chinese brake fern is well known for its ability to absorb high levels of arsenic. Pteridophytes may be ancient plants, but their role in today's world, from beautifying spaces to healing and cleaning the environment, makes them truly remarkable. Up next, meet the mighty gymnosperms, the seed-bearing giants that ruled before flowering plants ever bloomed. Stay tuned because nature's story is just getting started.